Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to another day of Indie Miss. Today we're going to be doing a small business haul. I just thought it'd be fun to share with y'all some things that I've picked up over the last few months. A few things are for me. They're not necessarily gifts, but they're just things that I've picked up from small brands. There was a little bit of Black Friday sales. Some things I've had for a while that I just thought I would go ahead and share with you, just because it doesn't necessarily make sense with throwing into my everyday content on indie brands. But today I just wanted to focus on small brands in general. For me this year, I wanted to do a better job at shopping more small brands when it came to gifting. So a lot of the things I have to share with y'all are Christmas gifts for some of my family members, and maybe there'll be gift ideas for you. Pretty much all of my family does not watch my videos, so that's why I feel safe posting this before Christmas, but hopefully maybe it'll inspire you to shop from some small brands. I'll have everything that I talked about linked down below. So I'll just go ahead and start off with what I have in my lap right now. So my friend Samantha March recently came out with her own brand by Samantha March, and I believe that she has a planner and like a few different like products in that kind of arena, but I decided to go ahead and pick something up for Black Friday, and that is her Week at a Glance little weekly like sheets. I just thought that they were cool because, you know, her being a YouTuber, they're pretty much specifically for that. It's like you have your focus, you have what you're gonna film and what you're gonna upload every single day. So I thought maybe that this would be nice to just put on my fridge and just have kind of like my week laid out ahead of me. I went ahead and picked up two because I believe it was like buy two products, get 20% off, something like that, and then I ended up getting free shipping. I'm gonna go ahead and probably add magnets on the back just so that I can add it onto my fridge, but I just thought it was super cute. I'll show you what it looks like up close. I thought it might help me be a little bit more organized, and why not support a friend. Okay, this is kind of just a random assortment of things, but next I have a gift that I got for my dad, and I thought that this website slash Etsy shop was pretty cool. I found them on Etsy, but I ended up just ordering right through their website. They are called Apron Men, and if you have anyone in your life that doesn't fit like a standard apron, I thought it was really cool because they have more than one size aprons, and they have like a ton of different designs and whatnot. But I saw this one and I got the larger version for my dad because he's a pretty big dude, and the front says your opinion wasn't in the recipe. I can't think of anything more like my dad to be on an apron. So my dad loves to cook. That's one of the reasons I got him this. And then it also has like 3 really large pockets. It's kind of like a canvas material, feels really, really nice. And I just know it's gonna fit him and it's gonna make him laugh. So I thought that was cool. Like I said, that one is from an Etsy shop called Apron Men, or you can see right here, apronmen.com. That's kind of an interesting choice to put the website on the apron, but they do have like a size guarantee that if it doesn't fit, they will refund your order or something along those lines. Okay, next we have something that I purchased for myself that you guys have already seen me wear in a video, but I just thought I would throw in here because it's so cute. My sister actually found me this, and then I purchased it myself. But this is what it looks like. It is just a sweater that says, "Have yourself a hairy little Christmas." Honestly, if you have a Harry Styles fan in your life, how could you not get them this sweater? There's actually a few different shops that have like a similar design to this, but I just went with this one. I thought it was really cute. I've got my hair stuck to it. I just pulled this out of the dryer actually, but I just think it is the cutest little thing. I'm gonna wear this at least like 5 more times before the holiday season ends, and I'm sure I'll wear it for years to come. I just think it's so adorable, so me, and I think it was like $30 or something, so gift to myself, but I love it. Next, I have some t-shirts that I got on Etsy. So these next two are for my sister and my brother-in-law. They love beer. So I was trying to like think of something to get them, and I ended up just searching like beer gifts on Etsy, and I found these 2 t-shirts, and I thought they were funny, and like they always wear funny t-shirts, so I thought it made sense. So this first one is for my sister, and I got it in like the heather gray, but it says, "In the pursuit of hoppiness." Hoppiness. I don't know, I thought it was so funny. So I don't know, hopefully she'll like it, but I thought that was really cute. I feel like that's one of the amazing things about Etsy is just like, if you know someone and you know something that they're interested in, whether it's Harry Styles, beer, Harry Potter, like who knows, you can put it in Etsy's search bar and find so many unique gifts. Like I feel like that's like the way to go, especially if you don't want to accidentally get someone something that they might have already gotten themselves or someone else is gonna get them and you just want to have a unique gift. And then I also got this t-shirt here for my brother-in-law. Looks like this, and it's just, you know, a casual American flag with like the little like beer tap thing. I don't know, I thought it made sense for him and I thought it was kind of cool. So that one was on an Etsy shop called 10 Squared. Okay, next I have a product that is actually makeup, and I try not to buy my family makeup or friends makeup really for Christmas, just because I get so much makeup like sent to me and I like accidentally buy too much makeup, so I'm always giving it away, to the point where I feel like giving it as a gift is like not as special, if that makes sense. I mean, I feel like I just like do it so often, it's not as special. But I had to buy this because it's from a brand that I love, and I thought it was so cute and it was perfect for my mom. I still need to get her something else. I feel like I need on top of this, of course, but I wanted to get her this because it was just so cute. So this is the JD Glow lip gloss in the shade Creamsicle, and I saw this on their Instagram and then I basically just went to their website and purchased it right away. I kind of already broke the cardboard here. My mom's not gonna care. It's okay, but this is just the cutest lip gloss ever. So here's what it looks like. It has little oranges in the bottom and it smells like creamsicle. Like, I mean, it is just so cute. So my mom loves creamsicle. She loves the smell of it. And Dose of Colors and Nima Tang, their coral lip gloss smells like creamsicle. And I remember trying that and thinking, oh, I wish that this was available as a single because my mom would love the scent of this. So when I saw that JD Glow released their own one and that it smelled like creamsicle, which I already smelled it, like I couldn't help myself. Sorry, Mom. I touched it, I opened it, I smelled it. But it smells really good, and I mean the oranges on the bottom is just like the cutest touch. So yeah, I had to get it. Okay, next we have another thing that I bought for myself, but I actually bought this like a month or two back. I just haven't talked about it. I haven't even worn it yet. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I just think it's so cute, and I've wanted one of these hoodies forever, and I just did it super randomly. So this is one of the Teddy Fresh little like color block hoodies. I think these are so cute. I'm pretty sure I first heard about these a while back because I think James Charles came out with a clothing line and it kind of ripped off something from Teddy Fresh, if I remember correctly. So I was watching the Full Coverage podcast and Manny MUA was wearing one of these in a different color set, and I was just like, oh, it's so cute. I love the vibe. I love the vibes. So I went to their website. I saw this one was in stock still. I mean, it is just adorable, and I just purchased it right away, basically. It's got like the light purple on this side, the pink, the light blue, and then the really light pink kind of on like a few different accents, and then of course you've got your little Teddy Fresh logo here. I just think it's adorable. I have a pair of like really light lavender Converse, and then they have like a pink stripe on them, and I feel like this will go perfectly with that. I actually love wearing this sweater with those Converse as well. It's kind of like a pastel aesthetic. I don't know if they have any sales right now, but if you have a color block lover in your life, they have really cute color blocked hoodies. Okay, next we have a gift that I got from my boyfriend, and I randomly got an ad for this on TikTok, but I thought it seemed really cool. Like, I was invested, so I like saved them, and then I think when they started their like early Black Friday sales, I got this for like 25% off or something. So this is from a brand called Frost Buddy, and it's called the Universal Buddy. So basically, I don't know if you can kind of see right here, but it's like a little koozie, and they have a ton of different designs, but basically you could just fill it up. You could do a 16-ounce can, a 12-ounce slim can, a 12-ounce can, or a beer bottle, and like you do the top. I don't really want to take it all out because I don't want to mess it up, but it's supposed to be just basically like a universal koozie. So if you wanted to just, you know, throw like a regular beer in, throw a White Claw in, whatever, then you can. I mean, here's kind of what it looks like. I mean, I think it looks very cool. I thought it was perfect for my boyfriend because he always uses the little koozie. I don't. I could care less, but he does, and I thought the fact that it fits everything is cool. It's kind of a little patriotic moment. This is the thing that I've had in my life for the longest time, and I had a few things that I'd been like pulling together to do a small business haul eventually. I didn't plan to do it like with gifts included, but I just thought I would share with you guys really quick because it's so cute. It was definitely a splurge moment for sure, but I don't know. I love a good purse. I love a pastel moment. So I want to say about 5 or 6 months ago, I bought this purse from Brandon Blackwood. They are like an up and coming kind of really cool fashion brand. They have very interesting purses. I found out about them, I want to say, from Smoky Glow a while back. She did like a black owned business haul, and I saw some of their purses and I was like, those are cute, but not necessarily my style. And then they released more, like they did like this entire huge collection, and I saw this one and I was just like, oh, so cute. It's so me. I love like light blue and silver accents. It's funny because I talked to Karen Harris and she was like, I wish it was gold accents, but I just think it's super, super cute, like perfect for spring. You could use the little handle, but I live for a crossbody and I've kind of just been leaving this on because I feel like it kind of just adds to like the cool look of it. It feels really sturdy. It feels pretty nice. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So you can release that to kind of have a little bit more room. I mean, it's definitely a little bit of a smaller, just very compact purse. And I honestly love having purses from small brands. It's not like I'm out here like collecting them all the time because they tend to be more expensive. But I also have one from Tipico Tico that I mentioned before in a small business haul. I'll leave them linked down below too because you should definitely check them out. I believe that all their products are handmade in Guatemala and they have the cutest leather purses. Like they are just so beautiful. I get compliments on my purse that I purchase from them all the time, and I think it's really fun because I'm always like, oh, it's this like little brand, Tipico Tico, you should check them out, like in real life. I think that's kind of its own special moment as well, but just wanted to throw this in here in case any of y'all are interested in more of like a luxury purse or like gifting a luxury purse. Brandon Blackwood has some really cool ones. I forgot I have one more thing to share with y'all that I purchased on Etsy, but I sent it directly to my best friend's house. So I won't be able to show it in a video or anything, but I just thought it was funny. I'll show it really quickly because it's another example of just being able to like find anything on Etsy. I'll throw a picture on. It's just this little booby mug. My best friend, I just thought she would like it. She has a little phone case that has boobs all over it, but it's like, you know, all kinds of boobs, and I thought that the mug was cute. Like I feel like that is so her. She's gonna love it. So I purchased that on Etsy as well from a brand called iStitch Designs. Alright y'all, so that is everything for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any small business recommendations, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. No matter what it is, I'd be so curious to hear. I feel like sometimes a small business, word of mouth is just the best way to learn about new brands. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye.